Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Proton VPN on your PC. First, open your browser and search for Proton VPN on Google. Then open the official website and click on download. After that, select Windows and download the version that matches your system. I will download the 64-bit version. Once the download is finished, open the setup file and install Proton VPN. During the installation, make sure to untick the unwanted options. After the installation is complete, Proton VPN will automatically open. Now click on Create Account. It will open the website where you can create a free account using your email address. After creating the account, close the browser, enter your account details and log in. Once you log in, Proton VPN will automatically connect to the best available server. With the free version, you can only use random servers, but you can switch servers by clicking on Change Server. Now open your browser and check your location to confirm that the VPN is working. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.